Hey guys, it's Betsy, and today I have some stuff that we're gonna thrift flip. These are gonna be some really basic thrift flips. Like, I know in the past I've done sewing and stuff. This is pretty much just chopping stuff up. So like, anybody can do it. I have 4 things that I'm gonna flip. I have this striped long sleeve shirt, a sweater, a just like plain old white t-shirt, and then some leggings. So we're gonna make some crop tops, some cropped sweaters, and some biker shorts. So we'll start with the plain white t-shirt. So this is the before of it. It was just like, it's fine. I just could make it better by chopping off a few inches. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I already marked right here where I want to chop it off. I used eyeliner because I don't have anything else. Crop top, number 1, done. So like I said, super easy, anybody can do that. You guys don't even need a video telling you to do that. Just a little like tip when you're thrifting things. Keep your spare fabric because you never know what you can do with it. You can use it for a different project later on. You can make scrunchies out of it. Or if you want to make like a pillow, then if you like cut your spare fabric into strips, it makes really good pillow stuffing. And you're saving the environment because if you just throw this away, it goes into a landfill and never disappears. Next up is this pink sweater. It's a really cute sweater. I really like the color. It's just, again, it's a little too long. I don't like that vibe, so I'm fixing it. This one is from Old Navy, so like, it's decent quality, but it wasn't that expensive like to start with, so I don't feel bad about it. Never cropped a sweater before, so I don't know if it's gonna be like really frayy or anything, but I feel like if it does fray, that could be like a really cute distressed look. Like, I feel like everybody's selling distressed sweaters, and I could just do this like by myself. Right, cropped item number 2. Oh my gosh, I think it's so cute. I love it. And then I don't know what to do with this. Like, you could definitely make it into a crop top. Next up is this striped thermal t-shirt. It's super cute. I love it for fall. I love the colors. The problem with it is that it's a long sleeve thermal and I want it for fall, and I live in Florida, so fall doesn't really need long sleeve thermals here because it doesn't get below 80 degrees. So I'm gonna crop it and hopefully that will be enough for me to be able to wear it. Cutting things with stripes is so much easier than cutting things without stripes because you can just cut on the stripe. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so cute. Yes, I love it. And last but not least, the leggings. So I wanted to make these into biker shorts because I don't remember who I saw do this, but somebody else took leggings and turned them into biker shorts. I think it was the Sorry Girls. I never really wanted biker shorts until I found a few outfits in my closet that I was like, this could benefit from some biker shorts. But I didn't want to pay for them because I was like, they're expensive and I don't know how much I'm gonna wear them. So I went to Goodwill, bought a pair of like plain black leggings that were cheap. These are $2. And I'm just gonna cut them off the length of biker shorts, and there you go. Since I couldn't mark these with my black eyeliner, I used a peach color corrector. And yeah, I'm just crafty, what can I say? This one looks a little bit longer, so I'm gonna chop it off again. And there you go, you have biker shorts. So yeah, let's get into the before and afters.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight.
Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!